These naturally sweet lentil waffles are crispy, cozy, and secretly packed with protein. No protein powder, no flour, just red lentils doing their magic in the waffle iron. Take 1 cup of rinsed lentils and add them to a bowl. Pour in 1 1/3 cups of milk. Cover the bowl and place it in the fridge to soak overnight, so the lentils can soften and soak up most of the milk, just as you see in the video here. Then, place the soaked lentil mixture in a blender or food processor. Then, add 2 to 4 pitted dates, depending on how sweet you want the waffles. Then, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds for a little extra protein and texture. Blend the lentil mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes until it looks smooth and thick, with no big pieces of lentils or dates left. Preheat your waffle maker until it is hot and lightly grease it to keep the batter from sticking. This helps the waffle come out crisp and makes it easier to lift out when it is done. Scoop the waffle batter into the hot waffle maker and spread it out gently if needed. Close the lid and cook for about 10 minutes until the waffle looks golden and crisp, lifts out easily, and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. These lentil waffles are crisp on the outside and soft in the middle, with a cozy cinnamon sweetness. They taste way more like a treat than you would expect from lentils. If you like making delicious snacks with lentils, then you definitely want to check out these easy homemade lentil crackers next. They are crispy, healthy, high in protein, and such a fun snack to make at home. Check it out now!